Hello Internet, Lieutenant Ellis here with the 299 Scouts, Dangerous Skills for Dangerous Places. I'm here at my favorite abandoned bar in our undisclosed desert location, and I thought I'd like to just cover some things that I see out when I go out to the range or when we're doing force on force, and it's shooting with the prone, utilizing your pistol. So anytime you tell people, hey, go get down to the prone, or enemy fire drives them to get down to the prone, you see the same thing over and over again. They try to treat the pistol like a rifle. They get right there behind the gun and their head's kind of floating around in there, or worse, they try to do some sort of weird pistol unsupported thing and they come up on their elbows. I'm going to show you something that's called the rollover prone, and you'll find that makes your pistol shooting from the prone a lot more stable, and if the terrain supports you, gets you out of the line of fire.
Instead of getting directly behind the gun, kick your body and your legs off in the direction opposite of your strong hand. Now, don't get confused with a side prone where your torso is facing towards the enemy. The rollover prone is a much more stable and deliberate position where your torso is facing the ground, your arm and pistol are supported, your head is resting on your bicep, and your eyes are lined up with the sights. Obviously you don't get to pick your gunfight, but this gives you another option for trying to stay out of the line of fire.
Alright, so that's your 30-second TTP for the day, the rollover prone. Hope you learned something. Tell us in the description what skills you'd like to see next, whether you're getting prepped for a school, ranger school, sniper school, airborne, air assault, any of the Army schools. We've got a whole panel of expert scouts that have been there, done that, got the t-shirt. So like and subscribe, and tell us what you want to see next. Until next time.